In many assembly applications, fasteners aren't always at a perfectly 90-degree angle with the standard torque reaction arm, making them difficult to reach. Introducing the Mountz Swivel Tool Holder. Compatible with our CTA telescoping arms, this swivel tool holder expands the working range of a right-angle tool when mounted to a telescoping arm. With 270 degrees of working range, the holder allows the operator to position the tool for better access to difficult fastening locations. 3 indexed locking positions every 90 degrees provide repeatable tool orientation and secure positioning during fastening. This also allows for a greater ability to fasten applications at various angles as the tool can move between each index position. With the correct mounting location, the CTA arm and swivel tool holder can be used for either vertical or horizontal fastening applications. The Mountz Swivel Tool Holder for the CTA arm. Improved flexibility, improved ergonomics, and easier access to challenging fastening points.